Welcome back to Homegrown Country Homeplace, friends. How y'all doing today? Y'all out here today, we're planting a garden, and we're going to be getting rain probably in a couple days. It's good cool weather this morning, and I've been out here for the past couple days plowing this garden up, tilling it with my tractor and rototiller, and we're ready to plant. And I've got a couple tomato plants down right now. I'm trying some new tomato plants this year, celebrity tomato plants. Never tried those before, so we're going to try see how those work out for us. And also we got some Rudger tomatoes, and normally plant some big boy and better boy tomatoes, but they didn't have any. But we're gonna see if we can pick some of them up somewhere. But come here, Summer. Just let's show them what we're doing here. I'm showing Austin and Summer. They're getting older now. I showed them when I was younger, but showing them how, you know, I do this. This is not the way necessarily you should do it, just the way that I've always done it, the way my daddy already did it. So that's the way I've done it, a lot of different ways, and I kind of explain my reason behind it. You know, for the most part, the soil here's got a lot of clay in it, and my dad's always mound these tomato mounds, pepper mounds up, and the idea behind it, in my opinion, is it gives a lot more soil for the tomatoes and stuff to grow in. If I just plant them flat, they're gonna hit some hard soil real quick. They're not gonna do as good. So mounding the mounds up gives us a lot of extra depth there on the soil for the roots to spread out in. Also, we come back in between here and break this soil up with a tiller and break the harder soil up around the plants, and we pull that fresh dirt up around the tomato plant as it grows, and that seems like it works good. But here's how I do it. I just take your hand or this little shovel right here, and I just start digging down in the center of it. And what kind of fertilizer I'm using is an 888 fertilizer. We use 10-10-10, triple 10 also, but this triple 8 is what we got, so that's what we're going to be using today. Ideally, if I had manure or something like that, I put some of that in there. I do have some chicken manure, but I haven't got any of that out, so we're just going to use this fertilizer here. And what I do, I just take a handful and then another little partial handful, and I just kind of put it in there, and then I'll take me some more dirt and put on top of that fertilizer, and I just mix it all in there good, just like this right here, and mix it up. Then I'll take me a little bit more dirt to put over that, so my plants won't come in contact, the root system will not come in contact with that fertilizer initially, kill my plants. Then what we do is just let's see, can you find my cup, y'all? I get about 2 cups of water, and I put in there for the plants to have some good wet soil to go in. Then we're just going to take our tomato plant out here. I'm just going to set that, put a little bit more dirt in on that. And like y'all can see, this dirt's got a lot of clods and stuff. And then we just pull this dirt all in around it, and I just break off the bottom of the tomato plant, any kind of, you know, leaves that's close to the ground, and I just bury the tomato plant pretty deep, and just kind of move these clods off the top of the mound. And sometimes I make these mounds a little bit flatter. I take my hand and I'll do like this right here, especially, you know, I'm doing my like squash and cucumbers. I'll take and round it off flat, and then I'll plant my seeds on top. But for these tomatoes here, I don't do that. I just kind of pull them clods off, and that's it, y'all. That's pretty much how I plant my tomato plants and bell pepper plants. And like I say, it's not necessarily the way you should do it. It's just what works for me, what we've always done. And so we get started letting Austin go down through here planting the rest of these. I'm going to get me some rows started for my peas and butter beans. Appreciate you. Just put that fertilizer in there and then just spread this dirt out and kind of flatten this mound off on top of it here, get the dirt clods, most of them off. Alright, Austin, I'm going to put the seed down. And just kind of put them around the outer perimeter. May not need maybe 3 seeds, 3 plants per mound, something like that. You know, no more than about 3, but I always, you know, plant 7, 8 seeds initially, get them started. And make sure we got some coming up there. Then just take, just very, you know, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, just pressing down in there, and just put a little dirt on top, and that's it. A little rain, water, whatever, and sunshine, and God's help, we'll have some cucumbers this year. Hey, little fella, you getting it done?